Number one, in the body, there are three types of muscle. Which muscle type is considered voluntary? Skeletal. A and B are involuntary. That means you could not control A and B. Letter D, epimysium, that is part of your muscle, the inner layer of your muscle. Answer is letter C. Number two, if your patient can move his right arm away from his side, you should document this as impaired abduction or adduction? Abduction. Kasi adduction is towards. Asan naman yung outward dyan? Yung palabas. Eversion. Yung upward naman, supination. Okay, number three, an injury that occurs at the articulation of two or more bones and causes the bones involved to be moved out. So, na-displace. Dislocation. E pag sinabi naman natin torn tendons, strain. Eh yung break in the continuity, fracture. Okay, next. Ano yung nag-decrease ng friction, fluid that decreases friction between joints? Synovial. Eh yung film-like, gel-like substance found between joints? Cartilage. Okay, sige. Number 4. When preparing the teaching plan for a client about crutch walking using 2-point gait, which of the following would the nurse include? 2-point gait. So, ibig sabihin simultaneous yung crutch and isang paa. So, 1, 2. Saan dyan? Letter B. Ang letter A ay 4-point gait. Letter B is 2-point gait. Letter C is swing to. Yung letter D ay swing through. Yung letter D is swing through. Next, number 4, letter B. Number 5. You ask to teach the client, Mr. Lapus, who has the right-side weakness. Meron siyang right-sided weakness. Right-sided weakness. Which observation will indicate that Mr. Lapus is using the cane correctly? Letter A ba? Both the cane and one foot or both feet are on the all times ba? Di ba magsabay ba nga? Di ba? Cane muna, lakad. Di ba? Ano at all times to. Letter B, advances the cane followed by the left leg. Ang weak dyan ay right. Di ba? Sinusupport mo dapat yung weak side. So, mali yung letter B. Tama yung letter D. Okay? Letter D. Next natin, hahawakan yung cane on the stronger side. Number 6. A patient with rheumatoid arthritis asks the nurse why she is taking prednisone. The nurse best response would be syempre decrease inflammation. Decrease inflammation. Now, additional natin sa rheumatoid arthritis, ano yung nangyayaring tatlo sa rheumatoid arthritis? Una muna, nagkakaroon ng synovitis. Tandaan yung SPA. Diba? Tandaan yung SPA. Pag hindi mo binasa yung pinorward ko ng PDF, hindi mo malalaman yon. Kaya sabihin ko na. SPA. S is synovitis. Okay? May inflammation ng synovial cavity natin. Number 2 na mangyayari doon ay pannus formation. P-A-N-N-U-S. Pannus formation. Pannus formation, tissue granulation yan. Okay, doon sa may site ng synovial, sa may joint natin. Then until such time, magkakaroon ka ng ankylosis. Kaya SPA. S-P-A. SPA for rheumatoid arthritis. Letter A is ankylosis. Now, because of the pannus formation, mag-fuse ang bone. So, for example, yan yung bone, mag-fuse silang dalawa. Ankylosis ang tawag doon. A-N-K-Y-L-O-S-I-S. Ankylosis. Ankylosis. Kaya doon sa rheumatoid arthritis, meron tayong deformity. Because of the ankylosis, there is deformity. Ang tawag doon, swan neck deformity. And yung isa, yung bottom-ear deformity. Hindi binasa yung binigay ko na PDF copy ng ortho. Diba? Meron sa ortho na PDF yon. SPA. Tandaan, synovitis, pannus formation, ankylosis, yung dalawang deformity, swan neck, and botonier sa rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, anyway, ang sagot natin sa number 6 ay letter C. Number 7. Letter, which would the nurse least likely to include in the least likely? Letter A, yes. Use of fracture bed fine. Kasi hindi lang makatayo yung pasyente mo to go to the CR. Letter B, redness, yes, kasi to prevent bed sores. Letter C, correct yan. Letter C is correct. No more than 25 degree kasi it would increase the pressure on the femoral vein or femoral area. Mali yung letter D. Kasi remember, kahit naka-suspension traction yung pasyente natin, we also want to promote independence. Hindi complete bed bath. Hindi punas-punas or siya yung gagawa, but not complete bed bath. Answer is letter D. Letter D. Number 8. Number 8, none of the above. Tama? Sa chest x-ray. Tama yan lahat about your chest x-ray. Number 9, what is compartment syndrome? Letter A, because of the two-time application of the cast. Anong ginagawa mo to relieve the pressure yung hinahati sa dalawa? Bivalving. Yung i-delay mo ang closure. Fasciotomy. Yung may hot spot. May irritation. Ano yun? Window. Lalagyan, ikakat ko yung edges, lalagyan ng micropore. Petaling. Okay, alam mo, madaling matuyo? Plaster of Paris or yung ating fiberglass? Ha? Hold the cast using your rest the stump on a soft or hard surface. Rest the stump hard surface. The cast rest on a soft. Sige. Next natin, number 9 is letter A. Number 10, no more than 90 degrees. Number 11, ano yung nilalagay mo sa side ng hips para to prevent external rotation? Ano yung nilalagay mo sa may tabi ng hip to prevent external rotation pag may hip surgery? Ano yun? Letter S. Sandbag. Diba? We want to prevent external rotation pag may hip surgery, so we put your sandbag. Next natin, number 11. Number 11, gate belt. Ang gate belt class, ang purpose niyan is to provide support. Wala tayo usually yan sa Pinas. Kasi ang ginagamit na support would be the nurse or the relative. Diba? Si nurse at relative ang support. But in other countries, merong gate belt na tinatawag. And ginagamit yan is to increase support to your patient. So tama ang A, B, and C. So letter D in all of the above situation. Next natin, number 12. Osteoporosis. Letter C, porosity and brittleness. Ano yung mabilis na mangyari sa osteoporosis? Osteoblast or osteoclast? Osteoclast. Class, tatandaan, minsan na pagbabaliktad nila yung Paget's disease at saka osteoporosis. Ang osteoporosis, increase ang osteoclast activity. Sa Paget's disease, increase din ang osteoclast activity. Pero, increase din ang osteoblast. Pero yung osteoblast, the osteoblast is bone formation. So, sa Paget's disease, although increase ang osteoblast, pero yung mapo-form mo na bones ay immature. Kaya nga merong bone deformity or dahil soft kasi yung bones, kasi immature yung na-produce na bone cells. So sa Paget's disease, parehas, osteoporosis and Paget's, parehas na increase ang osteoclast. Pero dun sa Paget's disease, increase ang osteoblast din, pero immature ang na-produce na bone cells, kaya they are very soft. Kaya meron kang bone deformity at meron ka ring fracture kasi nag-increase din ang osteoclast. Difference ng osteoporosis and Paget's disease. Baka biglang mapagbaliktad natin ang osteoporosis and Paget's. Okay, number 12 is letter C. Ano yung letter A dyan? Crystal deposition. Gout. Okay, gout. Yung letter B, brittleness, swelling of joints. Swelling of joints. Pwedeng arthritis, but depende. Hindi siya specific, di ba? Okay, yung letter D, joint stiffness. In the morning, RA. Okay, next natin, number 13. Hematopoiesis is one of the blood production. So probably all of the above. Answer is letter D. Answer letter D. Number 14. A nurse is one of your several persons who witness a vehicle hit a pedestrian at fairly low speed on a small street. The person is dazed and tries to get up. The leg appears fractured. Ano daw ang unang gagawin? Ha? Ba? Manual, ikaw lang ano. Diba? Rest nga muna. And of course, you need to stay with the patient. Answer is letter D. Answer is letter D. Letter D, assist the person to get up. And yung letter, pwedeng safety, pero kasi rest mo muna. Rest the patient first. Okay, pedestrian din yon. Correct, pedestrian din siya. Answer is letter D here, letter D. Next natin, number 15. The nurse understands that one of these factors contributes to constipation. Not letter A, tama? Kasi exercise increase bowel movement. Hindi rin letter B. O, mamili ka, C or D. Ha? Sagot natin? Not letter D, kasi nga laxative. Laxative would promote elimination. Iba yung iniisip nyo kasi, dependence yung iniisip nyo. Diba? Dependence, pag hindi ka mag-take ng laxative, merong dependence. Diba? Or hindi ka nakapag-take ng laxative, hindi ka mag-bowel movement, dependence. Side effect ng laxatives natin, diba? Dependence. Pero it will cure constipation pa rin yung ating laxative. Ang sagot dito ay letter C. No regular time for defecation. Pag wala kang regular time ng defecation, you're at risk for constipation. Hindi lang time for defecation, yung meals mo. For example, paiba-iba ka ng kain ng lunch, 10 a.m., 3 p.m. Pag paiba-iba ka ng kain ng lunch, you are prone to constipation. So you need to have regular meal time and regular defecation time to prevent constipation. Yung laxative, di ba it promote elimination? Paano ka makakaroon ng constipation dyan? Although iniisip mo yung dependence with the laxative. Next number, 16. 16, meron kang osteoarthritis. Mr. Cassid asked the nurse, what is osteoarthritis? Which response from the nurse is correct? Yung letter A hindi specific. Tama? Letter B, weight-bearing joints. Okay, weight-bearing joints. Number 17. Letter A kasi obesity. Number 18. Number 18, A, pain. Number 20, 19, letter, the nurse will instruct the patient which of the following to minimize complication. Mataas ang uric acid, and uric acid could cause uric stone. Tama? So to prevent uric stone, increase oral fluid intake. Answer is letter A. Letter A. Sabi, yung letter D dyan, more on osteoarthritis, di ba? Pero pwede rin yung rest, basta kung merong pain, di ba? Number 20, 20, A. Kasi yung B, C, D ay high purine or purine-rich food. 2020 is letter A, 21. Letter A, 22. Letter C, 23. Naulit 22 kasi. 23 should be advised by the nurse to... Kasi bakit? Immunosuppressant ba? Bone marrow depression. Ang immunosuppressant si methotrexate. Answer is letter C because of bone marrow depression. Next, number 24. Letter B, swimming. Di ba? Swimming. Swimming. Pag nag-swimming ka kasi, you use all your joints. And when you are swimming, decrease ang pull ng gravity. Mas madali ka makakagalaw. So the best exercise is swimming. The best exercise is swimming. Number 25. 25 is bonus class. Walang sagot dyan. Letter A kasi, di ba sabi natin, kailangan ng pacing, activity pacing. Yung letter A kasi sabi dyan, doing all her household chores, ginawa niya lahat in the morning. Dapat yon is 30 minutes pahinga, 30 minutes pahinga. Ganon yung pacing activities. So mali yung letter A, mali rin yung letter B, and of course, not to hire a helper. Walang pacing dyan. Answer is letter bonus. Bonus ang 25. 26. Which type of medication is most commonly used to treat rheumatoid arthritis? Class treatment, dapat wala kasi yung methotrexate. Diba? Ang drug of choice natin for rheumatoid arthritis is methotrexate. Pero wala nga sa choice natin. Ang DMARDs natin, yung C at D. Diba? Ginagamit yan as alternative treatment lang. Diba? Diba? At saka hindi pwedeng dalawa ang sagot. Synonymous. Diba? Ang C and D ay DMARDs yan. O, diba? O, mamimili ka na lang A or B. Tinatanong ay treat. Yung non-steroidal natin, yes, pero management of what? Pain. Okay, pain. Ang sagot ko dyan ay, therefore, ay letter A, glucorticoid. Glucorticoid is corticosteroid. Sir, bakit glucorticoids or corticosteroids yung sagot? Tanong, ang corticosteroid ba ginagamit for inflammation? Yes. Pag decrease ang inflammation, decrease din ba ang pain? Yes. At saka yung corticosteroid, dinidecrease bang bone marrow depression? May decrease bone marrow depression ba? Eh, ang RA, saan ba related yan? Auto? So, meron din pakialam yung corticosteroid natin doon sa immune system. Answer is letter A. Next natin. Number 27. 27, letter B. Letter B. Saan ang Heberden's node? Sa osteoarthritis. Saan yung anti-nuclear antibody? Anong sakit? SLE. Pero ang confirmatory ay anti-DNA test. Diba? Yung anti-DNA. Ano yung ginagawa natin sa SLE? Yung tinatanggal natin yung autoimmune antibody sa plasma. Ano yun? Plasma. Ginagawa din ba yan sa myasthenia gravis? Yes or no? Yes, kasi auto. Sa GPS. Yes or no? Yes. Ano yung ginagawa namang procedure to decrease the maturation of T cells sa autoimmune disorder? Procedure na ginagawa to decrease the maturation of T cells. Ano yung ano yun? Saan ba ang site ng T cell maturation? B cells, pag bone, di ba? Kaya nga, yung B cell, ang B ibig sabihin doon, bone cell. Nag-mature yon sa bone. Meron ka rin isa kasi, T cell. O saan nag-mature yon? Sa titi? Saan nag-mature? Sa thymus. Very good. So, may procedure na ginagawa din sa autoimmune disorders natin to decrease T cell maturation. Thymectomy. Thymectomy. Diba? Nagta-thymectomy tayo to decrease T cell maturation. Ginagawa sa GBSMG, SLE also. Okay? Next natin, tandaan nyo na, plasmapheresis and thymectomy management pag autoimmune aside from giving immunosuppressants. Number 28 tayo. Letter A. Okay, letter A. Next natin, anong letter D dyan? My disease is a normal aspect of my aging. Osteoarthritis and or osteoporosis. Correct. Number 29. The nurse should include which of the following client teachings for prevention. Prevention. Avoid alcohol. Mali yung A, B, C kasi dapat yan increase intake yan, not avoid. Answer letter D. Letter D. Number 30. 30, a client brought to the emergency room with compound femur fracture. What is the first action the emergency room nurse should do? Letter A, cover the open wound. B is check the client's blood pressure. C, assess the client's neurologic status. Letter D, prepare the client for X-ray. Class, compound femur fracture. Ang compound, ibig sabihin, nahati sa dalawa. Ang compound pwedeng close or open. So hindi mo alam kung open yan. So, mali ang letter A. Diba, ang compound fracture pwedeng close or open. Pero yung compound fracture, whether close or open, pwedeng may masirang arteries or blood vessels. So, pwede magkaroon ng internal bleeding. O, ano na ngayon ang problema mo? Bleeding. Shock. O, anong gagawin dyan? Assess clients nasa ER. What is the first action the emergency room nurse should do? Letter B. Check the client's blood pressure. BP agad natin yan, di ba? Okay. Bakit? Anong kino-consider mo? Baka nagkaroon na ng hypovolemic shock. Baka nagkaroon na ng hypovolemic shock. Answer, letter B. Answer, letter B. Next natin. Number 31. A 3-year-old in Brian's traction is with foot foam. You found Brian's traction sa bata, di ba? Pedja, 2 years old or 30 pounds below ang weight. You found the child is pulling out the foot foam. What is your most appropriate nursing action? A, B, C, D. Anong sagot natin? Letter A, remove the foot foam and assess the area. Remove, di ba ang traction kailangan? Consistent. Except for what? Cervical and pelvic traction. Ang cervical and pelvic ay intermittent. Pwede kasi ma-compromise ang breathing. Pero ang the rest, Russell, Bax, and Brian's traction, kailangan consistent. So, mali yung tinanggal mo, yung letter A. Diba? Letter B, reapply the foot foam at once. Letter C, call another nurse to maintain the traction as you apply the foot foam. Letter E, tell the child to stop removing the foot foam. Diba? Hindi niya maintindihan. Answer, probably tinatanggal niya kasi hindi maayos or nakaka-irritate. Tama? So, anong sagot mo dyan? Letter C. Letter C. And so while you are fixing, assessing, naka-maintain pa rin ang traction. Kasi kailangan ang traction ay consistent. Plus, huwag kalimutan yung principles nung sa traction natin. Yan ang laging tinatanong dun sa exam. Next natin, number 32. How do you position a client with left hip fracture in back traction? A, B, C, D. Hip fracture, back traction. Letter C, position the left affected side ba? Di ba dapat sa unaffected? Kasi pressure dun sa affected. Di ba you are maintaining alignment? Mali yung letter C. Letter D, position the left in the center. Di ba? After the procedure, kailangan ng abduction or adduction? Pag adduction, you are moving it to the center. So, mali yung letter D. Kasi nga, adduction. Anong sagot na? Letter A will increase the pressure on the femoral area. So, ang sagot mo dyan ay letter B. Letter B would relieve the pressure on your ankle, preventing thrombophlebitis. Answer letter B. Answer letter B. Next natin. 33. So 32 is letter B, to prevent pressure, prevent thrombus formation. 33. A patient had hip surgery. On the second day, the patient is agitated, is tremulous and confused. What should the nurse primarily assess? A, B, C, D. Anong sagot natin? A, B, C, D. A patient had hip surgery. On the second post-op day, probably first post-op day, na-check mo na yung dressing kung merong bleeding. Tama? So, not letter A, kasi na-check mo na yan on the first post-op day. Not letter C. Walang kinalaman yung letter D. Sagot dyan ay letter B. Alcohol use before surgery. Saan yan? Psych concept. Uminom yung pasyente, umuwi, na aksidente, nagka-hip fracture. Ngayon, meron tayong alcohol content sa kanyang katawan. Ano yung alcohol withdrawal symptoms? 28 to 48 hours, agitated, confused, and tremulous yung pasyente natin. Answer is letter B. Ano binibigay mo? Librium or chlordiazepoxide. Diba? Alcohol withdrawal symptom yung nangyayari sa pasyente. Answer is letter B. Next natin. 30. Yan na yung wala? 45. Balikan na lang natin yung discussion. 45 muna. The patient had undergone below knee amputation. What is the appropriate position of the stump to prevent contracture? Extension. Tama? Answer is letter B. Letter B. Number 46. Pakicheck ulit yung don'ts natin sa stump. 45 is letter B. Extension. 46. Which of the following nursing intervention will best help alleviate the joint pain of patients with rheumatoid arthritis? Will best help alleviate may pain na. Letter A, sobrang layo nung mild. At saka, yes, exercise, but not during if merong pain. Prevention yon. So, ang sagot mo dito ay letter C. Okay? Answer is letter C. Correct yung active range of motion. Pero kung wala pang pain. Next, number 47. Which of the following should the nurse include when giving health teachings on prevention of crutch palsy? You have to bear the weight on your answer letter B. Answer letter B. Number 48. A client has been diagnosed to have bone cancer. The nurse expects to find which of the following laboratory results. A, kasi mali yung B, C, dapat increase lahat yan, except yung sodium levels, walang kinalaman. Okay, answer letter A, 49. 49, a client Crutchfield tongue is assessed by the nurse. Crutchfield tongue. So probably it is a skeletal traction. Diba? Skeletal traction. Which of the following finding requires immediate action? Immediate action by the nurse. Letter A, crusted pin site. Normal. Normal yung letter A? Yes. Nagka-crush, ibig sabihin meron ng bone, meron ng healing. Tama? Kung yung pin site ay may pus, may redness, mabaho, Yun ang may problema, infection. Pero yung crusted pin site, that's normal healing already. Okay? Next natin, letter D is correct. Tama? Ano yun? Log rolling technique. Yung letter D, the patient is turned as a unit. Correct? Kasi log rolling technique. Letter C, the patient is actively wala ka ng problema, normal na yun. Answer is letter B. Yung lower back spasm. Baka magkaroon ng ano yun, yung biglang over-exaggeration of SNS. Mataas ang blood pressure. Ang tawag doon. So spinal cord injury, pag may over-exaggeration of your sympathetic nervous system, resulting to hypertensive crisis. Ano yun? Anong tawag doon? Nakalimutan agad. Ano yun? Yung bawal ma-full ang bladder at ma-constipation. Letter A ang start. Or letter H. Autonomic dysreflexia. Diba? Sa spinal cord injury, i-check na bawal magkaroon ng full bladder or constipation. That would increase occurrence of autonomic dysreflexia. Autonomic dysreflexia or hyperreflexia would lead to over-exaggeration of SNS, resulting to hypertensive crisis. Ano yung stimulus para magkaroon ng autonomic dysreflexia? Full bladder. Kaya lahat ng naka-spinal cord injury, naka-catheter ang pasyente. At lahat sila, ang diet niya ay high-fiber diet. At bawal din in contact with fur. Di ba sinabi ko yung sa cloth, bawal. Yung sa cloth, sa fur, it would increase autonomic dysreflexia. Okay. Next natin. So, sagot is letter B, number 40. 50. If effective traction must be maintained, the following nursing measures must be maintained except letter C kasi dapat consistent. I-check muna, yun hanggang doon, yun yung ano natin. I-discuss natin yung mga ibang numbers na nawala, na erase dun sa photocopy natin. 34 ulitin ko ha. 34, a nurse is conducting health screening among females at the mall to assess those who are at risk for developing osteoporosis. Which of the following question is most appropriate to be asked by a nurse in relation to development of osteoporosis? Not letter D, tama? Hindi letter D kasi nga vitamin D, it would increase calcium absorption. Letter B, did you have any fracture? Pwede yan, pero hindi yung development ng osteoporosis. Kung meron ka ng osteoporosis. A or C? A or C? Letter C plus. Yung letter A, iniisip mo agad postmenopausal, pero mali yung tanong mo. Diba? Dapat ang tinanong mo dyan, kung nag-menopause ka na. Okay? Kasi you could not predict yung age yan. Meron tayong idea na if early ang menstruation, early din ang menopause mo. Pero you are not sure with that. Letter C kasi corticosteroid could cause bone marrow, depression, and could be a predisposing factor to having osteoporosis. Answer is letter C. Next natin, number 35. Letter A. Okay, answer letter A, beer and wine. Number 36. A nurse is conducting health screening for osteoporosis. Which of the following client is greater risk of developing this disorder? So not letter A, not letter B. Mamimili ka na lang dyan, C or D. Pero mas maraming risk factor yung letter B. Kasi sedentary, 65, babae, at smoking. So, 4. Yung letter C kasi 70, consumes alcohol. 2 lang. Kasi 4 at risk ang 50 years old women. Answer, letter D. Number 37. 37, a nurse has given instruction to a client returning home after knee arthroscopy. The nurse determines that the client understands the instruction if the client states that he or she will. Answer natin. A, B, C, D. Letter Letter A ba? Di ba kailangan limit the activity? Pwede magkaroon ng bleeding. So mali ang letter A. Yung letter B naman, pwedeng mag-activity pero not the rest of the day na wala siyang activity. Limit the activity lang. Answer letter C. Okay? Possible infection. Next natin. Number 38. A client with possible rib fracture has never had a chest radiograph. Alam mo na to, letter B, removal of jewelry, di ba? Answer is letter B. Answer number 38, letter B, 39. Naulit yung 39, di ba? Letter D, stay with the person. Number 40. Letter D, 41, median nerve. Median nerve, ang 41, letter B, 42. 42 is log rolling technique. 43, SLE. The client has been diagnosed to have systemic lupus erythematosus. To prevent exacerbation, the client should do which of the following? Pwede naman pumunta sa beach, pero kailangan protect yourself lang against sunlight. By letter A, wear long sleeves clothing. Answer is letter A. Not letter C, pwede bang lumabas? Letter D, hindi namang makasunbathing ka ng 1 hour dyan. Answer is letter A. 44. Sjogren syndrome. The patient may also develop which of the following? Answer is A, B, is Feltis syndrome, di ba? Feltis syndrome. Answer is letter C, tooth decay. Because of dryness of the mouth. Meron din kayang keratoconjunctivitis? Pwede ba magkaroon ng keratoconjunctivitis? Yes, because of dry eyes. Okay, next number. 44 is letter C.